Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to download and install RStudio on your Windows computer. So let's get started. Open your web browser and type RStudio download into the search bar and press enter. Click the first link on the RStudio website. Find and click the download and install R button. On Cron page, find the find the download R for Windows and click on it. Click install R for the first time. Click download R for Windows and wait for the download to complete. Go back to the RStudio website and click on the download RStudio desktop button. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded R executable file and open it. Follow the installation prompts. Select your preferred language and click OK. Click Next. Choose your destination location and click Next. Select the components you wish to install and click Next. Choose your startup options and click Next. Click Next again and wait for the installation to complete. Click Finish when the installation is done. For RStudio installation, locate the downloaded RStudio executable file and open it. Follow the installation prompts. Click Next, click Next again, click Install, and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, find the RStudio icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and open it. Click OK on any initial setup prompts. And welcome to RStudio. You are now ready to start using RStudio for your data analysis and programming needs.